Now look at that. See that? See how it's attracting? Well, it'll want to spark. Now you'll hear it. You'll hear this around high voltage towers. When you're driving along on a damp day, you hear that? That's known as corona. Because we're really dark, you see the sparks. Now you can come up a little closer here.
You can get closer, it's not going to spark at you.
We're going to have, I'll turn it down just a hair for a minute. I just want to adjust this a little. Okay. I see I'm close to it, so you can smell it.
It smells like iron.
Smells like fresh air.
Yeah.
It's called ozone.
Alright.
Now, watch what happens. You gotta watch real closely and carefully, and you'll see a spark. Have we got a real thunderstorm?
Yeah.
Very simple. Oh, you can come a little closer. It won't hurt you. You can stand right up close in here.
Okay.
You go stand over here.